Hi, I'm Mickey Walker with XPOWER Manufacturing, and I want to talk to you now about XPOWER's 24-inch portable drum fan. With its variable speeds, it delivers large volumes of air. Its multiple positioning airflow makes it possible to direct air wherever it's needed the most. Simply position the fan in any direction you want, lock it into place, and blow large volumes of air. Its built-in wheels make portability a breeze. So for large spaces and volumes of air, whether drying, ventilating, or cooling, XPOWER's 24-inch portable drum fan has you covered. So thanks for watching. Stay cool.